have been bombs going off and air defense systems going off for about the last 20 minutes. And the building that I'm staying in just lost power. Building across from me still has some power, as you can see, but everything else is dark. Until you get up by the parks up there. It's one of the national parks around the corner to the right of that building. And you can hear the bombs going off and the air raid defense systems activating, and I can actually feel the percussion of some of the explosions that just happened over the last 15-20 minutes. That's the sound of a drone. You hear that?